Welcome to this podcast of Power of a Power Property. Another name is Superpower Property.
Okay, I am Molly, and I'm joined here with my daughter Cora, who is in first grade. And we are going to go through the Power of a Power Property, which is stated in the box up here. It says A to the M to the N equals A to the M times N. So we're going to do a little example to show how this property works. So we're going to start out with something easy. I'm going to do 2 to the third to the second, which is a lot of powers, because this is a very powerful property. Okay, now Cora, I don't know if you remember what the exponent means, but when I write this little 2 up here, how many times should I multiply 2 to the third?
I forgot.
Would it be 2 times?
Yeah.
Okay, so we write 2 to the third times 2 to the third. Okay, so now how many 2's should I write out for 2 to the third?
3.
3? Okay, so that would be 2 times 2 times 2. And then I have another 2 to the third. So how many more should I write out?
3.
3? Okay, I think you're right. So 2 times 2 times 2. All right, that's a lot of 2's. How many 2's do I have here, Cora?
You have 6.
Okay, so I have 2 to the 6th. Do you know what 2 to the 6th is?
64.
Oh, do you really know that, or do you just remember it?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so 64. Wow, she's a really smart first grader. Okay. So you know what? I want to do this another way. I'm going to do this another way, but we're going to work from the inside, simplifying the inside first. So 2 to the third, do you know what that is? Well, if you don't, I do. It's 8. Okay, so really it's going to be 8 squared. That means 8 times 8. And you informed me that I'm drawing my 8s incorrectly, but that's just how I draw them. Okay, so 8 times 8 is also 64. Yep. So we got the same answer both ways, didn't we?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, now let's do another example, but let's work with exponents. I like to work with exponents. Do you?
Yes.
Oh, you do? Really? Maybe not. Okay, so we're going to do x to the third, and then we're going to raise that to the 4th power. Okay? So the property, which we looked at above, says that if we have a to the m to the n, we multiply the m times the n, right? So that means I would multiply the 3 times what?
The 4.
Okay, the 3 times the 4. All right, so, do we know what 3 times 4 is?
That's 12.
Did you know that before you did this podcast?
Yes.
You did? Wow, you are a really smart first grader. Okay, so we just simplified our problem quite a bit, because I didn't have to write out 12 x's, did I?
No.
No, that saved a lot of time. So the superpower property is pretty powerful, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, so that's the end of our podcast. Can you say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Thanks.